So this is under the tank of the Honda. This is a test light. This is negative side. I got the power on because I wasn't getting any spark to the front cylinders. And so if you watch this, this is my wire connector for the coil packs. See that? Light goes on, light goes off. So there's a problem with this connector piece here. I'm gonna try to zip tie it and see if that helps. Because I think it's pulling apart. Every bit of this was all cut, soldered, reconnected to make it shorter. So I could get it all underneath the tank. So we're looking at a blue wire. We're looking at, stop it. And this one.
ready except for the bread, but I wanted the bread in.
Oh my God, don't burn the bread.
It only takes 9 minutes.
To burn. Mm-hmm. So that looks like it'll do. Just needed a little clippy in there to keep it tight. Then we'll come back and I think I'm going to move this over the top. So this is the homemade air box. And I think, yeah. Take those out. Don't get them mixed up. And then it comes off. So I glued it in. Unifilter. What the hell? It looks okay. It's a little dirty. Okay, hook up the tank, fuel line, seat. So I ran these leads. It's running a lithium battery, nice and light, doesn't swell. So far so good. The tank mounts up here on the front. What we want to do is keep that and that right there. Now, you won't be able to see this. Because it's horribly, well, because it's all under here, right? So I gotta eyeball it, feel it, and get it on getting the fuel line hooked back. So I use my hand as a brace. I reach under here. And find a petcock valve. Oh, there it is. And then turn the fuel on, check for leaks. We're good. Then we'll move back here to the rear so you can see. Made this pan out of aluminum. The slots are for the seat to drop down into. This is an old motorcycle tire. This is the correct grommet, I think. All right, see if it works. That's good. Here's the ribs of the seat where it mounts right here. And so this was the original seat. I just shortened it. Took it to a upholstery place. So these are original. I had to re-weld those on. Or maybe I made those, I don't remember. But you want to hook this under here. And then it bolts up, drops in, and bolts on. Turn the fuel off. A couple 10mm nuts. And I can go eat dinner. So, electrical problem fixed, right? Stay safe, 6 feet apart, stay well, take care, see you later. Here I am trying to get some work done. Shop manager Junior comes in to see what's going on. AKA the lawnmower. Just help yourself, buddy. Yeah, just help yourself. Why don't you go mow some grass? That's what you're good at. Mowing grass. Oh, you're just going to come all the way over here. Yeah. That's a motorcycle. Not something for you to eat. You're gonna knock it over. That's my arm. What's on your face? Clean your eyeball off, dude.